If you just installed Proxmox for the first time, and once you log in and you immediately hit with this message, not valid subscription pop-up, don't worry, you are not alone and you didn't do anything wrong. Proxmox is actually an incredible, powerful, lightweight Debian-based hypervisor that is 100% free to use. You don't need a paid license for your home lab or learning uses. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to safely disable the pop-up and configure your system with free updates. Let's dive in. In your Proxmox console on the left, click on your Proxmox machine name. In this example, I have named my Proxmox box as Mango. Then click on the shell button on your right. Before we make any changes to the configuration, it's a best practice to make a copy of the original file just in case if something goes wrong. So let's make a backup of a file which is responsible for subscription warning before we make any changes. So change the directory to user share javascript proxmox-widget-toolkit. And once you're in there, copy proxmoxlib.js file and make a backup of it. And once it's done, let's start editing. Let's edit the proxmoxlib.js file. In this case, I'm using Vim, which is inbuilt. You don't have to install anything, which comes with the image. So once you edit it, you can search for a word called active keyword, and then remove the exclamation mark symbol before the == sign in the condition. Then save and exit the file and close the shell. Next, let's fix the repositories. So since it's a Debian based Linux, so it does come with inbuilt repos, and some of them are enterprise repos that's actually triggering these subscription. If you have a subscription with Proxmox Enterprise, you won't get those warning, but if you don't have, let's go fix it. So click on those repositories on the left menu bar on your host, VM host, then disable things that starts with enterprise.proxmox.com. You may see some errors or warning on the top, but that is totally okay for now. Now let's refresh and let's upgrade the OS packages. You may add an additional open source repository if needed. If not, then click on refresh button on the top. Once the refresh is completed, close the window and then click on upgrade. So once you click on upgrade, it will show you the list of packages that are available for upgrade. Go ahead and say yes, and it will go through the upgrade process, and once it's upgrade completed, you will see a prompt. There you can type reboot and your Proxmox host will reboot altogether. So just wait for a minute and refresh your browser again, and you should be able to see the login prompt again on Proxmox console. So now go ahead and give your credentials. Once you log in, ta-da, you don't see the subscription warning anymore. You're good to go. I hope this helps.